you saying no?
Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, no. We ain't gonna get nothing like that. We gonna get nothing like that. That's too far out there. That's too far out there. I be out there looking people through the window every night. Going outside, make sure ain't nobody expected. Looking at it, make sure ain't nobody went up on the car. Make sure ain't nobody. Every night. You don't need no Maybach. You might need to lay back and chill out some. Just want to sit down somewhere and enjoy what you got now. Now, I know I like them AKA girl, but
Ain't got nothing to do with it.
okay, well, we're gonna chill out on that now, cause that's a we ain't there yet. We ain't there yet.
Well, I'll try next year.
No. I tell you what, leave it up to me. I tell you when to try. But you're gonna be laid back for a while. Laid back. And the dream about you made back. But not right now. No.